What is up guys, welcome to another video and you're watching CB Teching Live here. So in today's video we are going to discuss about the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 which is going to be launched by Samsung on 9th of August 2018. So without any further delay, let's get this video started. So the most hottest and most biggest news related to the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 is that Samsung themselves accidentally leaked the whole of the trailer for the Samsung Galaxy Note 9, which they have prepared for the presentation of Note 9 on 9th of August 2018. And if we look this trailer carefully, we could come to know that many of the hints are given in this trailer. Actually, this trailer is official, so they are not hints, they're the official specifications, and all the things which are mentioned in this video are official related to the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. And one of the thing which is mentioned is 1 terabyte of storage, which is going to be available with the upcoming generation of the Note series, meaning that Note 9 will feature a 1 terabyte storage variant. And beside this massive blunder, Samsung also leaked the Russian packaging retailer box for the Note 9, in which all of the specifications revealed for the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. And now we come to know that all of the things which are official related to the Samsung Galaxy Note 9, and now we don't have to wait for the launch date to confirm what Note 9 is going to be bringing to the table. So in my opinion, now Samsung should not call it a launch date, they should just come and announce the phone, that's it. Nothing to tell about the features because it has leaked all over the place now. And in my opinion, Samsung even didn't try to stop them. Now let's talk about the specifications which are leaked by that Russian retailer box of the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. And according to that box, Samsung Galaxy Note 9 is going to be having Android 8.0 Oreo out of the box, and the processor which are going to power the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 are going to be either Snapdragon 845 or the Exynos 9810 processor. Now if we talk about the screen for the Samsung Galaxy Note 9, it is going to pack a 6.4-inch Quad HD Super AMOLED panel along with 18.5 to 9 aspect ratio. Furthermore, let's talk about the cameras for the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. So it is going to pack dual lens camera system on the back of the smartphone, and both of the sensors are going to be rated at 12 megapixel. Out of both, one is going to have a variable aperture which is going to be adjustable from f1.4 to f2.4. The other one is not going to have this feature and it would stay permanent at f2.4 aperture. Now let's talk about the RAM for the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. So it is reported that it is going to have a 6GB of RAM in some regions, and some regions are going to get the 8GB version. In my opinion, this is pretty bad from Samsung. They should be providing the same variant all around the world. So now let's talk about the storage, which is also one of the biggest concerns related to the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. And Samsung have marketed it in their trailers a lot about the more storage. So Note 9 is going to start with 128GB base model and will go up to 512GB. Furthermore, you can get another microSD card of 512, meaning 512GB, and you will be able to expand your storage till 1 terabyte. Finally, the most important and emphasized thing in the Samsung commercial is the battery for the Samsung Galaxy Note 9, and it is going to pack 4000 mAh battery. In the past, Notes are known for their bad batteries, but Samsung is willing to change it this time. So this was it from today's video guys. Samsung have leaked each and everything related to the Samsung Galaxy Note 9, and in my opinion there is nothing left more to be leaked. And if you guys are still going to go and watch that live event, I'll tell you beforehand that there isn't going to be any new announcement. All of the things which I have told you in this video are going to be a part of that event. So if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Peace out.